Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to Cengage account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in account.cengage.com. Then you'll come across this login portal. Here you'll have to enter your email address associated with your account. If you do not remember your email address, then click on the link that says Need Help Signing In. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Create Account link to make one. Then tap on Next button. After that, follow through the prompts and fill in the information that is required in order to log in. And that is how you can sign in to Cengage account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.